Welcome to our video on the PDCA cycle. If you are looking for a simple yet effective tool to improve your business processes and achieve better results, then you're in the right place. In this video, we will be explaining what the PDCA cycle is and how it can be used to drive continuous improvement within your organization. What is the PDCA cycle and why is it important? The PDCA cycle, also known as Deming cycle, is a four-step process that can be used to improve any process or system within a business. The four steps are plan, do, check, and act. This cycle was developed by quality management guru Edward Deming and is widely used today in businesses all over the world. But why is the PDCA cycle so important? It provides the framework for continuous improvement that can help businesses stay competitive, increase efficiency, and drive innovation. Now, let's dive into each one of the four steps of the PDCA cycle and explain what they mean. Step 1. Plan. In the planning stage, you identify problem or opportunity for improvement. You set goals and develop a plan for action. This stage is crucial for ensuring that your improvement efforts are focused and effective. Step 2. Do. In the doing stage, you implement the plan that you developed in the planning stage. This may involve training employees, acquiring new equipment, or changing processes. The key is to carry out the plan with precision and attention to detail. Step 3. Check. In the checking stage, you evaluate the results and the actions that you've taken in the doing stage. This may involve measuring performance, analyzing data, or gathering feedback from customers or, of course, your employees. The goal here is to determine whether the improvement efforts were successful and, of course, to identify any areas for further improvement. Step 4. Act. In the acting stage, you take action based on the results of the checking stage. If the improvement efforts were successful, you may implement the changes on a larger scale. If not, you may revise the plan and start over the cycle. The goal is to continue the cycle of continuous improvement, always striving to achieve better results. To help illustrate how the PDCA cycle works in practice, let's look at a few examples. Example 1 is a restaurant that uses the PDCA cycle to improve their customer service. They identify long wait times as a problem and develop a plan to hire more staff and streamline their processes. They implement the plan, gather feedback from their customers, and analyze data to determine that the improvement efforts were actually successful. They continue to monitor their performance and make adjustments as needed to maintain high levels of customer satisfaction. The second example has to do with a manufacturing company that uses the PDCA cycle to reduce defects in their products. They identify a high defect rate as a problem and develop a plan to improve their quality control processes. They implement the plan, measure their performance, and identify areas for further improvement. They continue to cycle through the PDCA process, always striving to improve their processes and to achieve better results. So, why the PDCA cycle works so well? There are a few reasons for that. First, it provides a structured approach to continuous improvement that can be applied to any process or system within a business. Second, it emphasizes the importance of data-driven decision-making, which is actually essential for achieving sustainable improvement within any organization. And finally, it encourages employee involvement and ownership, which can help to build a culture of continuous improvement within the organization. That's all from me for now, at least. Let's catch up in the next video. There will be more valuable lessons for you. Peace out.